Mama, I'm bored. Mama, what do I do next? Mama, can I watch TV? Do you too get to listen to this often from your kids? One of the biggest challenges I usually face as a parent is to think of various ways to keep kids busy at home. Especially in this pandemic when they can't go to school and their social interaction is limited, it's even more of a task to come up with some fun games and activities that can keep them occupied for long. But guess what? Recently, I came across something that made this task very easy for me. I got this fun multi-activity box, Claytopia, which is a perfect solution to keep kids happily engaged at home. Claytopia is a theme-based learning box filled with interesting experiences and hands-on activities for children. It is aligned with the renowned Clay schools and its decade-rich experience in hands-on learning. The box comes with age-appropriate activities, puzzles, manipulatives, board games, which are reusable to achieve diverse learning outcomes. We received this month's kit, which is based on the theme All About Me. It includes 4 activity pouches with all the necessary materials required. Each pouch contains multiple activities that can be done over the course of the month and covers various concepts like literacy, numeracy, logical reasoning, self-care, etc. What's even better is that each activity can be used in diverse ways. For example, this healthy plate activity can be used for role play, sorting, or for logical reasoning. My kids' absolute favorite from this kit is this roll and move game, which teaches them about body parts, numbers, actions, all in a fun and playway manner. The kit also includes this learning pathway that helps define the learning goals for parents and a detailed handbook with instructions and steps on how to perform the activities. I also like this comprehensive development tracker that helps us track a child's learning progress once the activity is done. Children need physical activities and stimulation to fully express themselves. Claytopia provides them with all that and much more. All its activities are based on the theory of multiple intelligences that are aimed at developing various cognitive, social, and emotional skills in kids and also improve their level of curiosity and independence. Catering primarily to the age of 2 to 6 years, this box provides a complete preschool experience at home. I found Claytopia as a unique learning box packed with loads of fun as well as learning. So if you have been looking for something similar to keep your kids engaged at home, then do check out their website where you can find various subscription plans as per your requirement.